Everyone salute.
Talking of professional beat synchronization, this scene is iconic. Hello there YouTube friends, Alex here. Open Filmora and let's find out how to do it. We are using Filmora mobile for this tutorial, by the way. Now as you can see right here, I've got all of these video clips which have got a same kind of reaction, and I've chosen these ones so that I can create at least something that makes sense. And once this process is done, you can see this option right here just below the video track here, alright, which is an option for you to import the audio. Alright, and right now for this very case, my dear friend, I have to import the audio from the MrBeast game series, alright, which I downloaded just to make this educational tutorial. Once our audio is right here in the timeline, having it selected, go to this option right here, which is the beats. And right here, as you can see, my dear, we have got a lot of options that you use to mark. You can use one of these options depending on the type of your audio, alright? The beat, the melody, the drums, the pick, the transition. Now, in some cases, all of these options may not work for you. So instead of having wrong beats, you can do it manually. Just like in this case right here, all of these options could not mark proper beats on this audio from MrBeast game series. So let's do it manually. And now as your audio plays right in the timeline, you just have to use this option right here to add beat when the beat point that you want to mark arrives. So you watch me work.
Watching me work.
Cause I'm not done yet. Alright, let's say you made a mistake. You can again use this other option right here to delete the beat, alright, and then mark on the very exact position that you are. Once the process is done, go ahead and confirm. And right here, my dear friend, if you zoom your timeline, you see there are tiny marks right here in the audio, alright? So those are your beat marks. That simply means that your videos must be cut on those exactly frames. Now I can select this first video right here and then speed it up to my satisfaction. Then I can split out the remaining portion of the video. Now I just have to repeat the same procedure on all the video clips. So
Thank you, and keep watching me work, because I'm not done yet.
You watch me work. One more thing I should say to you guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.